Preventive maintenance on furnace blower motors prevents most overrun problems before they start. Change filters regularly using the correct size and minimum efficiency reporting value for your system, and replace them every 1 to 3 months, depending on load. Clean the blower wheel and housing annually by turning off power at the service switch, removing the access panel, and gently brushing or vacuuming accumulated dust and lint to restore balance and airflow. Inspect ductwork for disconnected seams, crushed sections, and excessive dust and seal leaks with mastic or foil tape, while checking that return and supply grills are unobstructed to maintain proper static pressure. Recalibrate fan limit controls every 2 to 5 years by verifying the off and on temperature set points against the furnace operating temperature and adjusting the differential, so the fan starts only after the heat exchanger warms and stops after air has cooled, to prevent unnecessary runtimes. Verify all wiring at the blower motor, control board, and thermostat for loose terminals, frayed insulation, or corrosion, and tighten or replace connectors while ensuring power is off to avoid shocks. Lubricate motor bearings if the motor has oil ports, and replace motors that show axial play or excessive noise, since worn bearings accelerate overrun conditions. Common mistakes include relying solely on filter changes while ignoring the blower wheel, which still causes overrun from imbalance, so clean the wheel and housing when you change filters. Another issue is misdiagnosing electrical faults as control failures. Check wiring and terminals first and use a multimeter to confirm voltages before replacing control boards. A frequent concern is incorrect fan limit settings that are left too low and cause long run times. Recalibrate the control using the manufacturer procedure, or call a technician who follows the posted temperatures from the furnace data plate. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors and compare services for preventive heating care, while providing a community where users discuss maintenance experiences. We connect contractors with potential clients and host a discussion community for sharing tips and troubleshooting steps.